Let's begin with part number 4. Here, question number 31 is the primary key in a dimension table is often referred to as a surrogate key, foreign key, composite key, or natural key. The correct answer is surrogate key. Primary key in dimension table is called as surrogate key. Question number 32. Which key connect the fact table with the dimension table? Primary key, surrogate key, foreign key, or candidate key? Correct answer is foreign key. Foreign key is going to connect the fact table with the dimension table. Question number 33. The surrogate key in a dimension table is usually generated as an incrementing integer, a unique string, a UUID, or a primary key with from OLTP. Correct answer is an incrementing integer. Question number 34. In a data warehouse, keys used for joining tables are metadata keys or surrogate keys or user generated keys or none of the above. The correct answer is surrogate keys. Question number 35. Which of the following is not true about surrogate keys? They are unique for each row in the dimension table. They are meaningful outside the data warehouse. They are typically integers or they improve query performance. Which of the following is not true? Basically, option B is not true. That is, they are meaningful outside the data warehouse. Outside the data warehouse, they are not meaningful. Thus, option B is not true. But they are unique for each row in the dimension table is true. They are typically integers and they improve query performance. So, option A, option C, and option D are true, but option B is false. Question number 36. Which of the following best describes metadata in data warehouse? The actual transactional data stored in tables or data about data providing information about the structure and organization or aggregate data across multiple database or a type of raw data collected from external sources. You know, metadata means data about data which reflect the property of data. That is option B. Data about data that provide information about the structure and organization is called as metadata in data warehousing. Right? Option B is the correct answer for question number 36. Question number 37. A subset of data warehouse that is created for a specific business line or department is called metadata repository or data mart or OLTP system or data lake. Basically, if we talk about a complete data warehouse, but in the data warehouse, we may have segregation department wise maybe or different sections can be there. That is called as subset of data warehouse, and these subsets are basically nothing but they are called as data marts. These subsets are called as data marts. Thus, option B is the correct answer. Question number 38. Which type of data mart is created directly from operational data rather than from a data warehouse? Dependent data mart or virtual data mart or independent data mart or centralized data mart? Question is, which data mart created directly from operational data rather than from a data warehouse? Such kind of data house is called as independent. By default, it is created directly from operational rather than data warehouse. Means their nature is independent, right? So due to that, independent data mart they are. Question number 39. In a data warehouse, metadata that describes the definition of data warehouse objects is known as physical metadata or technical metadata or business metadata or operational metadata. Correct answer is technical metadata. Metadata that describe definition of data warehouse object is called as technical metadata. Question number 40 and last question for this particular part, the fifth part of MCQ I am going to share shortly. So do stay tuned, subscribe the channel, like the video, comment your queries in the comment section. And for more subjects like machine learning, artificial intelligence, and other computer science related subjects, IT related, AI, ML related subjects, also you are going to see very shortly. So stay tuned, subscribe the channel for more such MCQs and interactive videos. What is virtual data warehouse? A centralized database physically storing all data, or a temporary data storage with no permanent records, or a logical or abstract view of a data warehouse without physical data storage, or a high speed in memory data storage system. Virtual data warehouse means a logical or abstract view of a data warehouse without physical data warehouse, right? So option C is the correct answer for question number 40. For question number 41 to 50, stay tuned for part number 5.